Hello and welcome back to Tommy Time. I just picked up this Troy-Bilt TB200. I had seen an ad online, non-running. It was close by, so I went and picked it up for $40. I got 2 bags and a 5-gallon gas can along with it. Package deal. So this is a 2017 model year. Customer said it hadn't been starting. They bought it new from Lowe's. So I thought maybe it would have been a bad spark plug. I changed the spark plug out with a new one and still nothing. Air filter looks pretty good. It was stored in a shed, so there's a lot of cockroach activity. I don't think that's an issue. I'm going to give it a squirt of Happy Juice and see if it's a carburetor issue. They could have been using stale gas or ethanol gas, so let's see if it fires off with a shot of Happy Juice. Okay, so that's going to be the issue with this one. It fired off with some Happy Juice and then quit. It's not getting fuel, so I'm going to take the carburetor off, clean the carburetor. The fuel might have been contaminated and plugged up the jets, or it could be the ethanol fuel did it. I knew it couldn't have been much. This is practically a brand new unit. It's a 27 model year, but it looks like it's hardly been used. I don't see any rust on it. So, there you go. It'll be a quick turnaround. It's a Troy-Bilt TB200. Thanks for watching. Oh, little buddy showed up. I must have transported him. I hope he can find his way home.